What is a computer hardware? A computer is made up of several electronic, and mechanical parts. These are called hardware. Hardware is categorized into five. We have an input devices, output devices, input and output devices, storage devices, and system unit. So later on, we will discuss all these devices found in your computer. Okay, what is an input devices? Input devices are used to enter data into a computer or mobile device. It will be so hard to interact with the computer without these devices. One of the example of input devices is keyboard. It is made up of several keys that we press to enter data. These keys contain letters, numbers, punctuation marks, and other symbols. The most common keyboard layout is the QWERTY layout. The mouse is used to control the movement of the cursor. The cursor is a blinking line that shows you where you are typing. The mouse pointer is the white arrow that follows the movement of the mouse. Next is scanner. It converts a printed text and images into a soft copy that the computer can process. When the scanner's light passes through the document, it will be transmitted to the computer and it will be converted into an image or digital format. Next, we have a joystick. It is commonly used in video games. It controls the movement of the game you are playing with. What is an output devices? An output devices refers to hardware that display or produce data or information. They are used to send out sounds, make copies on paper, and visual displays. A monitor is one of the example of output devices. It displays the words, numbers, graphics being worked on in the computer through the computer monitor screen. The printer produces a paper copy or print out of the words, numbers, and picture that was inputted in the computer. Next, we have speaker. It lets you hear the audio sounds coming from the computer. A headphone. It is used to hear sounds in personal manner. It is placed in the ears to control the volume in such a way that the person using the headphone is the only one who hears the sound. What is storage devices? Storage devices are computer hardware that holds data, instructions, and information for future use. Next, system unit. It is also known as a tower in the main body of a computer. It is typically made of a metal and plastic enclosure containing different parts. Next is USB or Universal Serial Bus. Flash drive are used to store data and information from the computer. They are smaller, faster, and have larger capacity, more durable and reliable, and very convenient to carry. An optical disc is a flat and round metal disc that can save data. CDs and DVDs are two types of optical discs. An external drive is a portable hard disk that is usually connected to the computer with a cable. A memory card is capable of storing digital contents. There are different types of memory card. These cards vary in the storage capacity and uses. What is input and output devices? So an input and output devices is also called as I/O devices, or hardware that typically accepts data and at the same time send them. A headset has its own speaker that acts as the output devices and a microphone that acts as the input. Touchscreen monitor is capable of receiving information by use of touch on the screen and at the same time displays the information or image needed. CD or DVD-ROMs are also example of I/O devices, which can read and write information on optical discs. A modem. A modem sends and receives data at the same time whenever the user are surfing the web. What is a system unit? A system unit is composed of different devices that manipulate data and turn content into information. Motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer where electronic components are attached. Processor. It is the center of your computer which processes instructions and communicates with outside devices, controlling most the operation of the computer. Memory. It is a temporal storage devices which holds the data and instruction that the processor needs. Video card is also known as graphics card. This is an expansion card that includes images shown on your display screen. Sound card or audio card provides the audio component for multimedia application like music composition, video editing, presentation, and education.